Hello again. This evening I am back again on September 14th, broadcasting from Fontana, California, watching this tropical weather system as it continues to evolve just off the Gulf Coast of Panhandle of Florida. It is still moving very slowly. Continuing to a new burst of convection developed southwest of the center, south of Mobile. It is going to probably give another shot of heavy rain to the Mobile area, Pensacola, points east of there as the night progresses. Also, interestingly, we have a secondary center of circulation developing off the west coast of Florida, which is likely going to give another shot of heavy rain and wind to the west coast of Florida north of Tampa, and including the greater Tampa area is going to get another shot of heavy rain and wind overnight as this secondary circulation moves northeast. So watch out over there in that area. You may get an unpredicted second shot of heavy rain and some wind developing on the eastern flank of this system. Paulette has turned to the east. It's moving away from Bermuda and moving out into the open Atlantic. It's still maintaining some strength. It appears to be following the Gulf Stream path, so it may hold on to its strength for a while. As it's passing over warmer waters of the Gulf Stream right now, that's moving across the Atlantic. It's following the path of the Gulf Stream, so it may maintain its strength for a while. And Teddy is a very large system. It covers 1,500 miles of circulation. There are bands of convection near the center circulating around, but it does not appear to be condensing into anything more compact at this point. Unless we get another burst of solar wind, I don't see that becoming a hurricane, at least over the next couple of days. But it is, and it's likely going to be another potential threat to Bermuda or that direction, probably over the weekend coming up. I'm not saying it's definitely going to hit Bermuda at this point, but it's heading that direction, it looks like. We have the other system to the north getting pulled up, sheared. The moisture is heading up toward Morocco, Gibraltar area. It looks like the remains of that system may get into Western Europe later in the week. And that is going to be it for this update. I will be back soon.